Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today we are here with the same chapter, parts of computer. We have studied so many devices in this chapter. Today the devices I have categorized for you is are given here with the topic number 3, memory devices. Okay, all the memory devices I have categorized over here. First we will discuss floppy disk, second hard disk, compact disk or CD, digital video disc or DVD, pen drive or USB for storing data. Okay, all these devices are used for storing data into it. Floppy disk. What is a floppy disk looks like? Yes, it is looks like this, and we can use it into we can insert the floppy disk into our CPU if it has a floppy disk reader inside installing it. What are the specifications for the floppy disk? It is a square in shape, as you can observe that it is a square in shape, and it has a circular magnetic disc enclosed inside the square plastic disc. Here I have shown you a plastic case of the floppy disk, and in the inner side you can observe that there is a circle shaped disc. This is the magnetic circular disc. It is enclosed into the square shaped plastic case. Okay, the data is stored onto the circular disk. It is used to store data. Okay, and to use it we need a floppy disk reader. You can see into the your CPU cabinet there is a small slit for the floppy disk. In the previous times people use it for reading the data from the floppy disk. Secondly, we will discuss hard disk. It is installed inside your computer system or CPU. Okay, it looks like this. It has so many disks uh, in the form of a stack called platter. Okay, let's talk about it. It is given inside the CPU. Okay, it is used to store data, the files, the image, videos, pictures, either whatever data you have installed from the internet, whatever data you have, when you click on the save button or save into your C drive, D drive, it is stored into your hard disk. Okay, actually it is stored into your hard disk platters. It has many circular disks called platters enclosed inside the rectangular case. Okay, our hard disk is enclosed or packed into a rectangular case, and this rectangle case is inserted into the CPU. All the data is saved in this hard disk. I have told you before that all the data we save onto our computer is saved basically into the hard disk. Compact disc or CDs. It looks like this, round shape and colorful. They are circular in shape. We use it to store data. Okay, many softwares came in a CD form. We use it. Okay, its storage capacity is more than floppy disk. Floppy disk has a very minimum storage size, so CD has a bit larger size than a floppy disk. Okay, to use it we need a CD reader or CD player. As you can see that we need a CD reader, or when we click on insert CD or button onto it, the CD tray comes out and we place our CD onto it, and then um, start the CD to play for us. Next is digital video disc or DVD. It is same as the CD, but it is a little bit um, its memory is larger than CD. They are circular in shape, means CD and DVD are same circular shape. Uh, they are both same in shapes, and we use it to store data. We can store. We use. You can also saw that you can purchase DVDs for pictures and cartoon movies. All the DVDs are available in the market for the movies, and because the storage capacity of DVD is more than a CD. Okay, you can also that's why we can store more data onto DVD. Its storage capacity is more than a CD. Yes, to use it we need a DVD reader or DVD player. Same in the case of CD and DVD. We need a particular player for these devices to read, like this, a CD reader or CD writer. We have a tray, we place our DVD into it and just play it and watch our movies, favorite movies onto it, on your TV screen, whatever you want to see. Pen drive, pen drive or USB. It is more useful nowadays. The basic advantage of this pen drive or USB is that it is a very small size, it is a pocket size, and it comes in different styles and different storage capacities. We can use it to store more data than the previously discussed topics like floppy, CD. It has the larger storage capacity, and let's talk about it. And we can insert it into our laptop or USB port to access data or store data into it. Okay, let's see what we are discussing today. We use it to store data. Yes, it is a memory device. Its storage capacity is more than CD and DVD. It has larger memory size than all of these. They are available in different storage capacities. Yes, MBs or GBs, it's available. To use it, we need a USB port or USB reader. Okay, as you can see in the picture, that the USB flashing over here in the beside of the laptop. The laptop has a USB port, and the USB is inserted in this port to read it. To read or open the USB, we need a USB port or USB reader. Recap of the topic. What we have discussed today, we have discussed memory devices. In the memory devices, first we have discussed floppy disk with the lower storage, not used nowadays, it's not used today. Second, we use hard disk, used everywhere nowadays. It is both of these are used and installed inside the computer system, CPU cabinet. Compact disk, these are the also called CD. It has larger storage than a floppy disk. DVD. DVD is also a storage thing, and one. Firstly, DVD has the largest storage capacity than floppy disk and compact disk. This media has larger storage than both of these. Number 5, pen drive or USB, Universal Serial Bus. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. We use this pen drive because it is very small and can be carried out easily anywhere we want to go. And to read this, it has the maximum storage size or the capacity than the previous ones, than the floppy, CD and DVD. We can store many movies into a single pen drive, but in a DVD we can only store only one video. Okay, so pen drive has larger storage. We can say that it's a king of memory. Okay, homework. This is a homework for your notebook. Write in your notebook, name any 5 memory devices. Only write the names. Okay, and okay, I forgot, you have to write the name of 5 memory devices. Also draw the pictures of the memory devices I have told you before. Okay, now second question, define pen drive or USB. You have to write the definition of the pen drive. Question number 3, write the full form of CD, DVD and USB. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my class and you understand what I have told you or try to discuss in this topic. That's all for today. Thank you.